Use a digital camera as a webcam. Nowadays, webcams have been very useful, especially when communicating over the internet. But if you do not have a webcam installed in your computer, you can always use your digital camera as a substitute. All you have to do is to follow these steps to get your digital camera ready. Since not all digital cameras function as webcam, check out your camera's handbook or user's manual. Read the digital camera's manual carefully and check if your camera can be used as a webcam when plugged into the computer. If your camera is capable of this function, look for the webcam software provided with the digital camera. If there is no webcam software provided, you can opt to use another webcam application. You download the SarmSoft webcam application. Download this software at shareware download sites like Softpedia, http://www.softpedia.com/get/internet/webcam/sarmsoft-webcam.html. If you have the webcam software, install it in your computer immediately, and make sure that you install all the drivers properly. This will ensure that the software is working and prevent the occurrence of future errors. Insert your digital camera's power adapter. Or, make sure you have enough power in the batteries. It is usually okay to plug the AC power while the battery is inserted. The AC power will save your camera's battery, and prevent your camera from switching off during conversation. However, if you don't have an AC adapter, just make sure you have enough battery charge to last your webcam recording. Connect your camera. Depending on the model, you might have to use either the video cable or the USB cable. Attach a video cable into your digital camera's video out port. Make sure that the cable you have inserted in the video source is the appropriate cable made for video connecting. Insert the other end into your video in port. Make sure that the gadget is properly connected before inserting. Alternatively, connect your camera to your computer through the USB port. Once you have done fixing all the connections, place your digital camera near your computer's monitor. This will provide you better interpersonal communication. On the other hand, check your camera's position in order to prevent it from falling. Use a tripod if you have one. Switch on your digital camera. Select the video mode icon. Sit in front of your computer at least 2 to 3 feet away from your camera, since most digital cameras focus best at this distance. If your camera is not capable of recording audio when used as a webcam, you can use another microphone. Insert this in the jack of your microphone of your sound card. Test your digital camera by starting a video chat. If you find errors, check if all the connections are properly and firmly inserted. In addition, make sure that the drivers are correctly installed. Once you have secured and fixed all the connections, you can already enjoy video conferencing with your friends and family. The use of webcam has helped individuals in communicating with online correspondents effectively. It has been used widely in different internet communications such as video chatting, video conferencing, and other live events in the internet.